If you are new to computing, it is a good idea to understand some of the basics and some of the terminologies of what you are using. The computer itself is known as hardware. This hardware has been put together by a manufacturer using smaller hardware components. Things like motherboards, memory, hard drives, monitors. These are just some of the components which may have been installed by the manufacturer in your computer package. To make all these components work, the computer uses software. Now, software is developed by computer programmers and are basically letters written for the hardware to read. These letters, they're written in a special language which is called code. To the untrained person, code is unreadable, but the computer reads it fine. When you first turn the computer on, it reads software, which was put into the computer by the manufacturer's programmers. This is known as the BIOS. The BIOS is what is known as firmware. This means that it is permanently written into the computer and it's read-only. It's for the computer to start. It can't be removed or changed. There normally is a few settings in the BIOS which you can manipulate. Now, the BIOS's job is to check that all the hardware components are connected and running, ready to start the computer, and then we'll tell the computer to read the software which is used to run the computer. The software which is commonly used to run and coordinate the hardware in the computer is known as the operating system. On this computer, I am using Windows 10. There are many different types of operating systems available. Operating systems are made up with thousands of letters of code put together to run, coordinate, not only the hardware in the computer, but also the software which is being used on the computer. Operating systems also make it possible for humans to use computers by presenting everything in a more suitable way that people can understand.